Okay, I'm going to do a cold start on my Poland Pro 42cc. Here's the car. But this is like, only have a little bit of gas, so I'm not gonna run it for a little bit. Just gonna put a tiny bit in there, and then I'm going to turn it off. I'll do like a cutting demonstration on the next video because I don't have enough gas, and I need enough gas for that trim right there. And that's completely empty, so I only have enough to put in there, not myself, which is great. So, yeah. But I have enough gas in there, but gas tube doesn't reach all the way to the bottom, which is really weird. It should actually, but I don't know why it doesn't. Oh shit! Need a rag. But that should be enough, hopefully. If not, I can add just a tiny bit more. Sorry about the shakiness, it's hard to do with the phone, or my iPod. But don't have enough mixing well. All I have is freaking Sta-Bil. And that took all my gas. But this should start after a few pulls. It's 2, 4, 5, 6. But hopefully it starts up right away. It's all new inside. Hell yeah. See ya.